What's up guys, it's Joe here from Bossco 4x4 and this is our dirty gear bag for the tailgates. So the beauty of our Bossco order design here is that this bag portion right here is exactly what you'd find on an SUV spare wheel. What we've done is we specially designed this tailgate mat so you can adapt it to your tailgate. So the beauty of that is that over a couple camping trips, if you throw in the recovery gear, you got a bit of mud, got some dirty rubbish and it starts smelling or being a bit worn out, or you've had too many cold ones and as you've gone to close the tailgate, you've actually broken a couple of buckles, all you've got to do is buy the SUV spare wheel dirty gear bag, which is a fraction of the cost of this whole setup right here, and then you've got a new bag that's ready to go. If you were to use this solely on a tailgate, you can even cut off those center straps and you've got some spare buckles to go right there. Let's get right into it. So first thing, we'll put on the tailgate protection bag. So before you put this on, you want to just check if you have anything you don't want to cover. For example, reverse cameras or the key lock. So to me, reverse camera is more important, so I'm just going to put the mat on this side. So obviously the logo goes on the outside and your Velcro straps go on the inside. This is what you'd use to hold the dirty gear bag in place. The buckles come buckled in. Just got to run your strap through, and remember the strap's got to wrap around the ribbed end of the buckle. Because the bag goes over the top of the tailgate, we want to protect the top of the tailgate, so that's where the mat goes over. Run your straps under. Just like that. Clip that in, put it tight. Make sure there's no twist. Like that. Run your strap through the buckle, through the rib end. Like that. And buckle in. Alright, you can do any final adjustments so that for any, if you've got a taller tailgate, you can bring this further down so you're protecting more of the tailgate, or if it's shorter, bring it further that way and pull it tighter. Alright, and that's pretty good. Also, one thing to consider is when you've got your tailgate bag hanging down, is it in the way of exhaust or too close to anything that's hot? So the next step is to put your dirty gear bag on. If you were just to use this solely on the tailgate of your ute, you can always cut these center pieces off just to keep it nice and simple for yourself. Any strap that you cut off, just make sure you sew it back together or just burn the edges a bit just to stop any fraying over time. To set this up, all you've got to do is run the center strap through the Velcro. If you like the dirty gear bag to sit a bit further down, you can always use the one that's higher up on the tailgate. That will bring the tailgate dirty gear bag down. Just like the protection mat, extending your buckles down underneath the tailgate. Like that. Alright, just be careful that if the tailgate's tight, just don't get any caught and try not to break the buckles. So run your buckles down, and what you've got to do, make sure your straps are straight and put it into the buckle there. For some of your shorter tailgates, you might find that as you pull this strap in, the center strap actually gets in the way from getting the bag nice and tight. If you wanted to keep the bag to be usable on an SUV and you didn't want to cut this center strap off, there is a little trick you can do to get this nice and tight. All you want to do is fold that center strap over like this, push that through, just like that. Alright, get all of that through, and then the same on the outside. So, all of that through. Now the buckle has gone to the other side of the center strap. So put all that excess down underneath the tailgate and push that back into your buckle, pull that nice and tight. So now the dirty gear bag's on. One thing to remember is once you get to camp, before you drop your tailgate to start setting up for camp, all you've got to do is undo these two buckles. Alright, that way when you drop your tailgate, the bag will hang like that. Once you get going again, just tailgate, make sure you don't crush any buckles. Alright, and just remember, buckle it back in, and you might just have to pull it a bit tighter now because there's a bit more weight in the back of the bag. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick instructional video. If you have any questions, comment below. Otherwise, if you like the video, give us a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell button, and if you want to contact us directly, we're always here to help. Give us an email, give us a call. I'll see you guys in the next video.